Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Harshit.
Okay,
How are
ma'am.
you, ma'am?
Yes,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Neha. How are you?
Good, ma'am.
Chanakya, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Adya, how are you? Good evening, Adya. How are you? Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, good evening, Adya.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Happy International Space Day, ma'am.
Okay, thank you and same to you. Thank you and same to you all. Today is International Space Day. A National Space Day, not international. It's National Space Day. Because last year Chandrayaan went up, no? You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please turn on the videos. Everyone must turn on the videos. Neha, Adya, turn on the videos. Okay. So children, in the last class we were doing what we had done. Can anyone tell me?
Perimeter
Area.
We did area. Yes, we did some questions based on area and perimeter. Now, are you understanding these concepts about area, perimeter, how to apply the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
how to
ma'am.
understand the question? Okay, how to now see, so far you have just done the direct questions. Find this is the um, length and breadth given, find the perimeter, find the area, no, find the cost of fencing, find the inside area for tiling and all. So you were doing just direct questions. So let's do some more questions so that you will have a good variety of questions with you. Okay, in different situations, how to apply the things, right? The formulas will be the same, the methods will be the same, but only thing, the questions may be twisted, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll do that
Yes,
type of questions. We'll do those type of questions now, right? So since you're aware of the concepts, everything, but maths is incomplete until you do lots and lots of questions. Yes? So maths is all about doing more and more and more questions. So let's do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Ma'am, also I had my maths exam today.
You had maths exam. How was
Ma'am.
it? How was
It was
it?
good. It was good, ma'am.
It went off good?
Yes.
Great. What was the topic? What topics came in the exam?
Knowing our numbers, whole numbers, basic geometrical ideas, integers, and playing with numbers.
Playing with numbers. Okay. So maybe I think first 5 chapters, right?
Yes.
Between those first 5 chapters. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after doing mensuration, we will revise basic geometrical ideas and understanding elementary shapes, right? Those are geometry chapters, no? So we'll revise those chapters, right? It's
Yes,
been
ma'am.
a long time now. We haven't revised anything from the previous done chapters, no? So once we complete this mensuration, then we'll revise the previous topics and then we will move on with the next chapter after that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So that even Trilokya, you joined, you have not gone through with the previous chapters, no? So you can also enjoy those chapters. Okay?
Yes.
Right, children? So let's do more sums. Okay. Okay, so these were the questions we had done in the last class. And I had given you a worksheet also. Were you able to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Any difficulty in doing the questions, worksheet questions?
No, ma'am.
Good. If anyone has any difficulty, you can ask. Okay. Are you doing those worksheet questions in your notebook on some separate sheets you're doing? Yes, children?
Ma'am, in my notebook.
You're doing in your notebook. Trilokya, where are you doing the worksheet questions?
Ma'am, I did it in my rough book. Can I do it in my notebook, ma'am?
Yes, yes. So make a separate notebook for your online class, maths class. Okay, and in that notebook, keep all your homework and classwork. Okay, do all your homework and classwork. So that you can refer to that whenever you're studying for your school exams or whatever test exam you're preparing. You have all things at one place.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Adya, I hope you are also doing in one notebook.
Ma'am?
You are doing all homework and classwork in one notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. And Harshit, you?
Ma'am, I am keeping as notebook one and homework one.
Okay, why haven't why beta?
Ma'am, it becomes clumsy, ma'am.
Okay, okay. That's upon your comfort level. Okay, if you're okay with that, that's okay. Okay,
Yeah.
it's okay. Okay, let's take up a question now. Please write down. What is the length of a wooden strip? What is the length? What is the length of a wooden strip? Okay, wooden strip required to frame required.
Ma'am, actually, I'm at outside, so I can't write, ma'am.
You are outside.
Yes, ma'am. After going to home, I'll write.
So how are you doing this test? How are you taking up the class then?
Ma'am?
How are you doing the class then? Are you traveling?
I came to my village, so
Okay.
I didn't bought any books.
Okay, you can just take a paper from somewhere, arrange a paper for yourself. Okay, so that you
And
can,
there are no papers also, ma'am.
you don't have any paper, pen with you, nothing at all.
No, ma'am.
Please arrange, you should have.
Ma'am, I'll check now, ma'am.
Yes, please check. Okay, the question is, what is the length of a wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeters. So length and breadth of a photograph is given to you. The length is 32 centimeters. The breadth is given as 21 centimeters. Okay. So what is the length of a wooden strip which is to be framed? So for framing, we need a wooden strip which is to be framed along the sides. Yes, this is how we frame a photograph at home.
Yes.
Yes, children. So we need a wooden strip to frame it. So what length of the wooden strip is required to do this? So what will you find out here?
Perimeter.
Yes. Okay, very clearly it's visible. You will find the perimeter. So please write the first statement. Write the first statement. Always the statement is whatever you are given first. Okay, you are given length and breadth. So please write down length of the photograph. Okay, length of the photograph is given to you. Then you are given the breadth also. Please do it yourself. Then next thing is you are asked to find the perimeter. How much length of the photograph is required? Length of the wooden strip is required.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. Tell me now what should I write here? Perimeter of photograph.
Ma'am, 2 into L plus B.
Okay, 2 into L plus B. What is that?
Ma'am, 2 into 32 plus 21, which is 2 into 53,
Okay.
which is 106.
Centimeters. Okay. So length of the wooden strip is 106 centimeters. Okay. Good. Okay. Next question is find the side of the square whose perimeter is 20 centimeter. Yes, Trilokya will tell me this. Trilokya,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what should I do now?
Ma'am, first you should write the that perimeter of the square is equal to 20 centimeters.
Okay, perimeter of square is 20 centimeter. Okay, written then.
Now we should find the side of the square.
Side of square is what?
Is first we need since perimeter is equal to 4 into a side. If we bring it to the other side, it is divide. So we should divide perimeter divided by 4.
Okay, perimeter divided by 4, that is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is the side of the square. Okay, so you can write perimeter of a square is given by 4 into side. Yes. So to find one side, we will take 4 on the other side and it gets divided. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the side of the square is 5 centimeters. Good. Good, Trilokya. Okay. Okay, let's do this question. A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. Okay, so piece of a string is 30 centimeter long. What will be the length? What will be the length of each side? What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form? Now first is a square. You just write down, I'll explain the question now. A square. Second one is an equilateral triangle. Third one is a regular hexagon. Okay, so please see this. The question says, a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square, an equilateral triangle, a regular hexagon? So you have to find one side of the square. What will be the length of each side, right? So if it is an equilateral triangle, so you have to find the length of each side. Okay, here also the sides are equal. Square also sides all are equal. In hexagon also all sides are equal, right? So you have to find the length of each side. The piece of the string is given to you. So that string can be molded and shaped into different shapes, right?
Ma'am, I found for equilateral triangle, ma'am.
Okay. Do for all the questions and I'll ask you one by one.
Ma'am, hexagon means 6, right?
Yes,
sides.
hexagon means 6 sides. And regular hexagon is when all sides are equal.
Ma'am, I can't understand a square, ma'am.
Square has all 4 sides equal.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
30 divided by 4. You can't do it right.
So whatever it will be in some decimal point.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find
You
out.
can write decimal points
Yes,
also.
yes, beta, yes, you can write.
Mama, count for all of them.
Okay, let others also do, then I'll ask the question.
Me too.
Okay, beta, let everyone do. Okay. Okay, children, give me the first answer. Let me take answer from Adya first. Yes, Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the first answer. What is the length of the square? One side of the square.
The length of the side is 30 centimeter. Sorry. 7.5, ma'am. Centimeters.
7.5. How did you find that? How did you find that 7.5?
Ma'am, by dividing.
Dividing what by what?
30 divided by 4, ma'am.
Yes, so the perimeter is 4 into side. This is for the first part you're doing, okay? So one side will be what? perimeter by 4. Okay, perimeter is given to you 30 centimeter, divide by 4, which is equal to 7.5 centimeters. So one side of the square is 7.5 centimeters. Good, Adya. Okay. So children, this is the way you should write down.
The same answer, ma'am.
Very good.
Same, ma'am.
Yes, very nice. Good. Okay, next. Neha will tell me. Neha, for an equilateral triangle.
Now for an equilateral triangle, it is perimeter is equal to 3 into side
Yes,
and side is equal to perimeter by 3.
perimeter by 3.
3
Okay. So
is
this
equal
will
to
be
30 by 3, which is 10 centimeters.
very good. Okay. Next, Harshit. Harshit, tell me the third one.
Perimeter is equals to 6 into side.
Then,
Side is equals to perimeter by 6.
okay, good. Then,
30 divided by 6 is 5.
okay, so one side is 5 centimeters. Okay, very good. So this was question number. Okay, let's put some question numbers here. This was 1. Then this is 2. Then this is 3. Okay, now the fourth question is. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon whose each side is 7.5 centimeters. Find the perimeter of the regular hexagon whose each side is 7.5 centimeters. I want the answer from Trilokya. Quickly.
Yes, ma'am. First side is equal to 7.5.
Side is given 7.5 centimeters. And then how do you find the perimeter of a hexagon?
Perimeter of the hexagon is 6 into side,
Very good. Yes. Then
which is 6 into 7.5.
okay.
Which 1 second.
Yes, yes, will do.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Now, 1 second later, let Trilokya tell the answer.
Ma'am, 45 centimeters.
45 centimeters. Okay, let me check. 5, 6 is 13. Okay, 3, 42, 45. Okay, beta, that's 45 centimeters. Good. Okay. Good, Trilokya. Okay, let's write down the next question. 5 square flower beds. 5 square flower beds. Each of sides 1 meter are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area? We have to find the area. It's given in the question. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Of the remaining part of the land. Let's understand the question first, okay? And when we understand the question, no, when we try to understand, so we always need to make a rough diagram for that. Isn't that? On the left hand and the right hand side, we always make some.
Mom, I got the answer, Mom.
We always make some rough figure. Very good, Harshit. I'll take your answer, but let me first explain it. 5 square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter. Okay. Each of side 1 meter is dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 piece of land. Okay, so this big piece of land is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Understood this much part? Okay, piece of land is this much meter long and this much wide. Now 5 square flower beds. Now square flower beds with 1 meter square. Okay, whose side is 1 meter. So these are 5 square beds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, each one has the area 1 meter square. Right? Are you understanding? This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Okay. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So remaining part is this portion. Are you understanding?
Yes.
You got it? So what will you do in this question?
Mom,
Who will explain? Just a normal idea. What will you do in this question? Yes, Harshit, tell me, what will you do?
Mom, first we should find the area of the square flower beads
Okay,
and the area of the piece of land.
okay,
Which will get the area of square flower beads is 1 meter,
okay,
and the area of 5 meters for long and 5 meters for 5 meters long and 4 meters wide is
okay. But what we should, just tell me that what we should do. If we found the area of the flower bed also and the land also, then what?
we should subtract those two, ma'am. And we should subtract those two.
Yes, we should subtract. Okay, very good.
Then we get the answer.
Wait, don't tell the answer. Let others also do first. Okay, everyone please do. Okay. Okay, now I'm not writing each and every statement. See, length of the land you can write, breadth of the land you can write, okay? And side of the flower bed also you can write as your statement, okay? So now you will tell me what is the area. I'll ask you area of the flower bed. Okay, I'm not writing those statements that you have to write. Length of the land, okay? Width of the land, side of the square, all that you have to write. Area of the flower bed. Trilokya, tell me what is the area of the flower bed?
Ma'am, all of the 5 flower beds,
First tell me for one.
one is 1 meter square,
1 meter square. And for 5 flower beds, it will be
5 meters.
5 meters square. Okay. So I can write here area of 5 flower beds. Right? Okay. Adya, tell me how much is the area of the piece of land?
Ma'am, 20.
Okay, area of the piece of land. 20 what? How much is the unit?
Ma'am, 20 meters.
20 meters square. Okay. When you are finding the area, your unit is always in meter square. Okay. Okay. Now Neha will tell me. Neha, what is the next step? What we should do then?
Ma'am, we have
Area of the remaining part.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we need to subtract. We need to find the area of the remaining part of the land.
Mhm.
So we need to subtract the area of the flower bed from the area of the piece of land.
Very good. Area, we have to subtract area of flower beds from the area of piece of land. That is 20 minus 5 meters square. Right, children? And so that will be
15 meters.
15 meters square. Very good. Very good. Everyone, good. So this was question number 6. Good. Okay. Okay, let's write down. Question number 6. Find the area. Find the area in square meter. Okay, so you have to find the area in square meter of a piece of cloth. Of a piece of cloth which is 1 meter 50 centimeter wide. Okay, the width is given and 3 meter long. Okay, these are the dimensions of the cloth. You have to find its area in square meters. Okay, so what will you do? The width is given to you 1 meter 50 centimeters. But we want the area in meter square. Please do this.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, Harshit, tell me what do you get?
Ma'am, if we multiply 1 meter 50 centimeters into 3 meters, we get 4, we'll get we get 4.50, which is 4 meters 50 centimeters.
Very good. Okay, so this is width is now 1.5.
Yeah.
Okay, so area of cloth. Area of the cloth is length into breadth. Yes. So this will be 3 meter into 1.5, which is equal to, how much is that?
Ma'am, 4.5.
0.5 meters square. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone understood this? Neha, Trilokya,
Yes.
Adya, Harshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, let's take up another question. Okay. Okay, please write down 4 regular hexagons. Now these are 4 hexagons, okay? 4 regular hexagons are drawn. so as to form the design. Okay, so as to form the design. I'll show you the design also. If the perimeter of the design is 28 centimeters, find the length of each side of the hexagon. Okay, now how is the hexagon? The
Ma'am?
design, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this question is a divide, right?
First, understand the question. I'll explain you just a second. 4 regular hexagons are drawn so as to form a design. If the perimeter, see the perimeter is all given to us. Okay. So perimeter of the design is what? All the outer sides, all the outer sides. So how many sides are there? That you will check first. Okay. 1 second, let me make the design. Okay, this is the hexagon. How many outer sides are there? Please check. 4 regular hexagons are drawn so as to form the design. If the perimeter of the design is 28 centimeters, find the length of each side of the hexagon. So you have to find, yes.
There are 14 sides.
So perimeter is already given to you. This is the shape you are given. You have to find its one side. The perimeter is already given. So find out how many sides are there. Count all sides.
Ma'am, 14.
Yes. 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Perimeter of the shape is given to you 28 centimeters. Okay. Now, number of sides are how many? 14. Yes. Number of sides are 14. So, how do you write the perimeter formula for this? This implies that the perimeter will be what? Trilokya, perimeter will be what? How can we write perimeter in terms of its sides?
Ma'am, 14 multiplied by side.
There is 14 multiplied by length of the side. Okay. Okay. Length of the side. So perimeter is already given to you. Yes. Now can you find out, children?
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. Very good. Yes. Adya, tell me what is the answer?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the question.
Okay. See, Adya, the perimeter of this shape. This is the shape. Okay. The shape is like such that 4 regular hexagons are joined together. Okay. And the perimeter of this shape is given as 28 centimeters. You have to find the length of each side. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many sides are there, Adya?
14, ma'am.
14. You got it? You understood this? 14 sides are there. And
Yes.
the total perimeter is also given to us in the question only. 28. So we have to find the side, one side. How much is the length of one side? So how do we do? Length of one side means if we add all the lengths of all the 14 sides, that will make the perimeter, no? Isn't that?
Yes, ma'am.
So the hexagon is a regular hexagon. That means all sides are equal. So that will be 14 into one side. Okay. Okay, you get it?
Okay, ma'am.
So 14 into side, length of the side. So 28 is equal to 14 into side. So how much will be the side? 28 by 14. Side will be 28 by 14, which is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. So this is length of side. Okay, you got it?
Okay, ma'am. Now I got it.
Okay, everyone understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please revise these questions. Thank you for joining. Okay, children? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yes, thank you, beta. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, बच्चे. Bye-bye.